All right, this is the repairs for that column that was falling apart. And we are not painting these. Once we put them in green, these are not designed to be painted. They will turn that, you know, at a later date. We'll keep them this green color for a while until we decide otherwise. But if you paint them, you're stuck painting them for the rest of your life. And what happens is, if you put paint on here, the sand and that comes off the ocean here basically just rips the paint off. So I was going to recommend that these two columns, so that's what we started with. A lot of wood rot at the bottom. This was terrible. I'm going to send you a picture in a minute. But this will be the end product, and they'll eventually take it all the way to the top up there to help carry it. And so now it's this column that we're sistering. Oh, here's a good example. You can see how much is missing. There was only about, they estimated there was less than 25% of this column remaining when they dug down today. So less than 25% was carrying this whole deck up here. So that's why we're jumping on this real fast. But again, we're leaving all this green. They will not be painted, at least in the foreseeable future, unless we just talk about it and you'll decide something different. But right now it's just going to look like that. But it'll eventually, as it ages, it'll look kind of like that, a little more weathered. So, which is what you're supposed to do. But it's also nice over there, the white columns over there. So we'll see. All right, work on columns today.